Hello, it's Becca, and welcome to Christmas at the Carriage House, a little place to find cozy inspiration for your hearth and home. I'm in my dining room and getting ready to decorate for the beautiful season of Christmas in our little farmhouse on the northern plains of Iowa. I'm going to be using the traditional colors of Christmas with deep ruby reds and touches of beautiful and fresh evergreen. So go ahead and grab something warm and cozy to sip on. And as always, I'm so glad you're here and have stopped by for a visit here at my home, the Carriage House.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm.
So now I have this lovely tiered tray that I'm going to decorate. I love using tea towels to decorate with, and I'm using kind of like a farmhouse plaid fabric and a natural tone fabric, which I think will look pretty with red candles, some greenery maybe, some ginger snap tea, so we'll have to see.
And the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow. A secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve.
Smiley face holding it.
Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear. And the stars up above, they are shining with love, listening to this song playing on, listening to this song playing on.
Now I'm going to decorate this beautiful table that I received from Ernest, an online interior studio with gorgeous furniture, and they are having a huge Black Friday mega sale going on right now, so up to $600 statewide. And additionally, I have a coupon code for you for an extra 15% off. And they really do have beautiful furniture, so don't forget to check them out. I'll leave all of their information, including the coupon code, down below. So right now I'm going to decorate this table with these adorable placemats, Christmas plates, bowls, pretty candy cane napkins. So let's go ahead and start decorating the dining room table.
I don't need a perfect snowman, and I don't need the bells and boughs, but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. sound and colors, but they hold nothing next to you, 'cause you're shining like no other. Ooh, I don't want what's wrapped in paper. No, I don't long for gifts of gold, but I'll be home for you.
I love this old little farmhouse hutch that I bought at an antique store in the beautiful town of Kelowna, Iowa, where the old order Amish live. The only thing is that one of the bottom doors doesn't close, which is fine. I still adore it and wonder how many stories it could tell while sitting by a cozy fire on a snowy winter's night. And I love decorating with little battery-operated lanterns. I bought them from Goodwill. I bought them from Walmart. I bought them at Home Goods. Anytime I see a little lantern, I usually have to get it. But I have them everywhere around my house, even in my windows, which looks beautiful from the outside in. But let me know what you're loving this time of year as far as Christmas decor goes. I'd love to know. So I'm gonna finish decorating, and I have just a few Christmas goodies to put away in the kitchen that I bought from a little historic town of Galena, Iowa. And then I'll show you everything after that. Thank you so much for stopping by today. So many more Christmas videos to come, so really excited. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed your stay here, and become part of our slow living homemaker circle where we cherish the simple pleasures during this journey we call life. Wishing you well and stay safe, my sweet friend.